I remember that summer, golden and bright. You by my side in the Tennessee twilight. Your laugh like a melody, pure and true. Ever since then, darling, I've only wanted you.
Beneath the old willow, where we carved our names, you held my hand, and nothing felt the same. Promise forever, just me and you. Through every storm, our love will pull us through. Forever us, in moonlight or rain, in fields of wildflowers, through joy and pain, hand in hand, on this road we roam. I only want you, in this heart you're my home. The years have flown by, but your smile never fades. In every sunset, I see your face. You turned our small town into our grand stage. With every passing hour, we pen another page.
Our kids are growing, reflections of us. In their eyes, I see the promise and the trust. They remind me each day of the love we've grown. Roots deep and strong, they've made our house a home. Forever us, in moonlight or rain, in fields of wildflowers, through joy and pain, hand in hand, on this road